back with another amazing video.
Hope you like it!
Today we're diving into fear and hope from both a scientific and religious perspective. When we look at it scientifically, we're trying to figure out how these feelings work in our brain.
Yeah, science is all about examining the neurochemical processes behind fear and hope. Like fear kicks in when our amygdala senses danger, right? And hope is tied to looking forward to a better future.
The Creator created the universe and formed on a balance between fear and hope. When humans fall into despair due to their mistakes, when they fear that the Creator is not pleased with them, they contemplate the wonders of creation in the universe and remember the beauty, blessings that the Creator has bestowed upon all living beings. In this situation, they let go of their mistakes and strive to do good deeds and live with hope for the future, believing that the Creator will not leave their kindness unrewarded.
Exactly! Like in Islam, fear of God is kind of a respect thing, while hope is linked to faith in His mercy.
It's similar in Christianity. Fear is about respecting God's power, and hope is about believing in His grace and eternal life.
These different perspectives shows that fear and hope are not just emotional. They've got spiritual and philosophical dimensions, playing a big role in our inner lives and the decisions we make.
On the science side, understanding how these feelings work in our brain is crucial for treating psychological and neurological issues, like encouraging hope in treating anxiety and depression.
Right, and from a religious standpoint, fear and hope contribute to a person's moral and spiritual growth. Balancing these feelings is key for the personal development and spirituality.
Yes, and in the end, fear and hope are indispensable parts of human life. Through the lens of both science and religion, they deeply affect our world and spirituality.
Especially when it comes to how our fears and hopes are shaped by technology. I'm really curious about your thoughts on this.
Totally no. As AI and robotics grow rapidly, we've got to think about their impact and fears. Lots of folks worry that AI could get out of control and cause trouble.
Yeah, of course, understandable fears for sure. Like we see in movies and books, AI falling into the wrong hands or acting unpredictably due to programming errors is scary stuff. But we can't overlook the positive impacts either.
Spot on, Azad. AI and robotics in healthcare can save lives and improve treatments. That's a hopeful aspect of tech.
Absolutely. AI can even help with complex medical processes like cancer diagnosis. But its impact on humanity isn't just practical. The emotional effects are huge.
Yep, and these emotional effects usually swing between fear and hope. The uncertainty of AI's future naturally scares people. On the flip side, the potential of these technologies gives us big hopes.
That emotional interaction is key in designing AI and robots. How a robot or AI responds to human emotions depends on its programming.
So true. That's why AI ethics and responsibility matter a lot. Well-designed AI can understand and support our emotional needs, but if it's poorly designed or misused, it could be really dangerous.
While thinking about the future of these technologies, finding a balance between fear and hope is essential. As humanity, we've got to be mindful and responsible for how we shape and manage them.
Yeah, we all have a big role in this. We need to think about how AI and robotics can be used best for humanity and work towards that.
And considering how these technologies affect our emotions during this process can make them more understanding and useful.
Exactly. As we shape the future, we should adopt a balanced and ethical approach, keeping both our fears and hopes in mind.
Great talk, guys! Thinking more about the impact of AI and robots on humanity and researching how to make these technologies better is crucial for us.
Thanks, dear friends, for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your loved ones.
Make sure to comment down below, like this video, and subscribe, folks.